pleasure that we introduced this online software that not only help KMRA members but also bring transparency in every transaction. For managers, giving working notes on KMRA is very easy. So managers are requested that they always type this web address in address bar, not in any search engine. Once entered in the address bar of the browser, the first home page of this software will open, and in the home page you will see certain things, that is home tab, working notes tab, about us tab, contact us tab, and on the top of the right side is a login. Managers have not to go on this option. This is only meant for medical representatives. Giving working notes, manager click on this work notes tab. A new page will be displayed, and there are certain options which manager has to fill. These are the options which manager has to fill, and suppose here we have created certain IDs for testing. Suppose we are giving this manager ID in the manager ID tab, and the name of the joint working manager, and the designation of the joint working manager, and the email of the joint working manager, and here he has to mention the company. Suppose we have selected this test company, and he will give the division details in this division field. Then he will to whom he want to work, he will give the ID of that representative in the representative ID field. Especially for ABMs, in here we have 3+2 pattern working. So in the first phase, if ABM is giving the first phase notice, he will click on this 3-day option. This is the option, 3-day option. So once clicked on this, then he will select the dates, on which dates he want to work. He want joint working with the representative. Suppose one is 1st Jan 2014, second, and the third day is the 3rd Jan 2014, and then he will simply click on this set appointment. Now the joint working notice has been made successfully, and this is the appointment or the joint working ID. It is very important, especially for the ABMs, if they want to make any change in the joint working plan, they can make it simply going on this reschedule appointment. Then here he has to give this own manager ID and the appointment number. That is very important, because if manager remember this ID, then he can reschedule or reschedule this joint working notice, and then he will give the representative ID whom he want to make changes for joint working. It's a very simple. So we are very highly thankful for watching this video.